How to turn any image into multiple gradient background instantly in Adobe Illustrator. Open your image in Illustrator and select it. Go to Object, click Create Gradient Mesh. Your image is now converted into a beautiful gradient mesh. You can adjust the row and column to control the gradient detail. And choose the appearance to center or to edge. Flat. Click OK to apply. Now here is the magic. Just select all your images. Go to Object, Create Gradient Mesh, and just look. All your images are instantly transformed into a stunning gradient design. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Illustrator tricks.